From the quiet strength of horses in an open field to the precision of modern science, two Mooresville nonprofits are rewriting what healing can look like for our veterans and first responders. I'm Barbara Pereira, your host of The American Dream, and today we're spotlighting these remarkable organizations, Soul to Soul Connection and OPTIVets. One invites healing through the connection with horses. The other integrates science-backed wellness therapies. Two paths, one mission, healing our heroes. So we're here with Katie Stakowicz. She is the director of Soul to Soul Connection. Katie, what is your role with Soul to Soul Connection?
I don't know. No, I am the founder. We founded Soul to Soul Connections in 2017, became an official nonprofit in 2020. So I am the executive director. As my role within the sessions is I'm an equine specialist. So my role is to watch the horses, to watch the environment, and see how their movements and that connection plays into our clients' stories. So what we do is we take people outside of the office. So out here, your office is 60 acres instead of 4 walls, and your therapists are 15 horses, 4 llamas, cats, dogs, chickens, and whoever else may join into the session. So we really bring you outside to allow you to reconnect with yourself, reconnect with nature, reconnect with your body. And as you do that, you're processing through whatever trauma you've experienced and also whatever may be weighing on your heart and your mind. So we know a treatment plan, or we may know why a client initially reached out for help, but then also life happens in between. And so we meet our client where they are and work with them through their healing process. But what's amazing with the horses is they have this innate ability that truly is God-given, where they can connect into our hearts and they sense what's going on inside of us, whether we're aware of it or not. So it's truly magical. It's truly organic. There's no set steps that this therapy takes. It just unfolds how the client needs it to.
So let's go with Katie and meet some of her horses and see what kind of therapy I need. So Katie, thank you so much for having us here today and showcasing what these beautiful animals can do for everybody, but more importantly, for our veterans and our first responders. And what can we as a community do to help assist that program?
The biggest thing is going to be like your donations, your sponsorships, businesses that want to sponsor. They can sponsor a veteran, they can sponsor an entire family, they could sponsor a group. And really, like we said earlier, is holding that conversation. How are you really doing? Have you reached out for help? Knowing that there are different options. It's not so in the box anymore.
Right.
You know, you can do art therapy, you can do music therapy, you can interact with horses and dogs and llamas. There's so many different ways to heal, and being able to embrace that.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So now we're here at OptiHealth, and this is where Stacy Sweeney and her husband run OPTIVets, the nonprofit that helps heal veterans with advanced science-backed wellness therapies. Stacy, can you tell us a little bit about how this came about?
Yeah, so we have 6 kids through adoption, and we had trauma in our home. We went to the Amen clinics, and they said use neurofeedback and hyperbaric oxygen, and it was a game changer for our kids. So with Mike being a veteran, we knew that we needed to roll out these modalities for our veteran community.
With the veterans and first responders, which you also, I know, help with, have you come across just any healing stories or things that they've said, like where they're actually seeing the benefits from some of the programs here?
Absolutely. I think the first thing that we see is veterans sleeping through the night. Once they go through here, it changes their lives. But I think the bigger stories are when they reunify with their families and their kids say to us, wow, thanks, that made a difference with Dad. The trickle-down effect of trauma is pretty real. And it impacts spouses, kids, relationships.
Family. I know you're going to kind of take us through and showcase some of the different things that you provide here. Where should we start? as a community, what can we do to help this program for these heroes?
We are looking for donors. We're looking for somebody who would say, I will sponsor a veteran to go through your program. Or we have 2 police officers that we're fundraising for right now. I believe in what they've done for us, so my business may partner with another business and sponsor them. We have a wait list to get into the program.
Wonderful. So we can get this out to try to help the community understand what you're doing and who you're doing it for. And as citizens, I mean, we owe them everything.
Yeah, it's just sharing the story.
Whether it's the power of the horses in the field or the science-backed wellness therapies, these 2 nonprofits are doing amazing things for our veterans and first responders. There are 2 different paths, but that same mission, healing our heroes, and we as a community can contribute to that as well. I'm Barbara Pereira, your host of The American Dream. Thank you for joining me on this special edition.